Okay guys, we have a little incident again. It's always a drag cage. I remember every time I do something bad has happened. Last bad memory in here was when Snowflake died in here. But hopefully I can prevent another bad thing happening. Hopscotch lost both mobility in both of her legs. Now, she had the one when she was born. Like that much. The ducks were a little bit crazy last night. I don't know what happened. And something happened to her other leg. We can tell something is wrong when she was born. She has made way too many toes than she's supposed to have. But I'm gonna give her a warm bath upstairs now, and I contacted the farmer I always work with, so I'm gonna see if what else I can do. But she's gonna be getting a nice warm bath. I'm gonna figure out what to do. Cause I want to get her leg fixed. Hopefully I can fix it. I'm also gonna see what's wrong with this. This is why I want to be a vet, guys. This is part of it. I don't even know if I really told you guys I want to be a vet. This is like the first step. This is like extra stuff. This is like job show kind of stuff, kind of. But I'm just doing this. I want to save Hopscotch. I don't want to lose another chicken like I lost Snowflake and I lost Blackie. It was horrible. It was horrible. Oh jeez, those were horrible times, especially for the chicken duck updates. So it was like one of the worst times we've ever had. But I'm going to take her upstairs now, guys. I'll show you guys giving her a bath. And hopefully the farmer's going to call me back real soon. So I'll keep you guys updated. So give me 1 second. Okay, guys. I'm going to bring Hopscotch in. So give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, I know you're gonna hate this, but I gotta do this. Okay, chickens don't really like water too much. Come on. Okay. See, she got some dirt and poop on her. Try to clean up a little bit. Relax. How's the water feel? I should not put too many bubbles in. Sorry for the bubbles. Well, I think she really likes it. It's a very tame chicken. See, this one's nice compared to all my other ones. I'll make sure you guys can see. She actually can stand. I actually think she's standing right now. She is standing right now, guys. So that is good news. I might actually do this a couple times a day. Because right now she is standing. It's going to make her have better mobility of her foot. Her weak foot. I'm just going to take some water out. Oh, okay. Hopscotch. You're facing the bubbles. That's how her leg is. See, this is the bad leg, guys, right here. This is the one that was born like this. I don't know, something's wrong with the joint. Something's wrong with the joint here. I'm not sure you guys can see it. Right there. And I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with this one. She has a lot of extra toes. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are her combined toes. And over here, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, too. I just want to check her other leg real quick. See, that one's kind of bloody right now. I don't want that to get infected. Oh, easy. Easy, girl. I'm gonna take the water out. Sorry. Don't freak out. I get soaked. You okay? I'm waiting for the water to drain out. You like your bath, ducky? Or ducky? Hopscotch? Get the bubbles out. I really added way too many bubbles. Try to clean her off. Kind of cold. My chicken's very, I never saw a chicken so relaxed. Easy. I'll put you down. Okay, now where's the towel? Come here. Okay. Getting a nice towel dry. That's how I used to do my ducks. Hey. Get hopscotch. Okay, seems to be walking a lot better. You okay, hopscotch? Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna continue to dry. I'm gonna probably keep her in here to dry her off. Just wanna clean the tub up. Put her back in here real quick. Tub out real quick for her. She's walking again. Okay, we're doing good. She's walking. See? She's trying to jump out. I can even tell she's doing really good in that leg already. Here, let me show you guys real quick. She's actually doing really, really good now. Since the bath. I think the water helped her when she could stand a little bit. She's doing real good. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on what's going on with her. I think she's gonna be okay. I'm gonna dry her off. I'm gonna get a hair dryer and dry her off. So that's what's going on, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure everything's gonna be okay. It doesn't look that serious now. So I'm gonna leave it on her. I'm gonna put this down real quick on her while I finish cleaning out the tub so you guys can see her. We have another overcycle miss. She is standing now, so that's really good. That's a really, really good sign. Okay, I gotta dry the tub out now, so I'm gonna put her back in. Good for her to go back in. Oops, I gotta clean the side. Okay, so what's going on, guys? I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. So stay tuned for more videos.